up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about how to tri-merge your CPNs. All right, I want to talk to you guys about how to tri-merge your CPNs. And tri-merge simply means creating a blank profile to where you are in the credit bureaus, you have no score, and you're actually tri-merged with all three credit bureaus, and then you can become eligible to then apply for things, get new things, and then obtain higher credit lines. Okay, so for those of you who already got CPs and different things like that, this video is perfect for you. Now, it's important to tri-merge your CP number because, like I just said, you have to get into Experian, you have to get into TriMerging, you also have to get into Equifax. All right, that's what tri-merging is. Those are the three bureaus. Okay, so in order to do that, you guys have to understand that the world works electronically. Okay, there are no more people who are in these different places who are actually hands-on and doing things manually, right? Everything is automatic. What do I mean by that? I mean, they don't get your information when you doing your homework assignments and doing filling out certain papers when you go to DMV and things like that. That's not where they get your information from. They get your information from doing day-to-day tasks simply by using your computer. Whether you work from home, whether you shop from home, whether you do whatever you do that matches up with your name, your address, your phone number, your email, right? They keep track of all those things. Now, in order to tri-merge correctly, it's important that you access different rewards programs, okay? Such as Office Max, such as JCPenney's, such as Walmart, right? Different little rewards programs like that will then trigger the system like, this is all new information, right? They didn't have this information, the same matching phone number, the same matching email address, the same matching name, all that good stuff. So they didn't have that information. So when they don't have it, it triggers the data systems, and then the data systems collect that new data, okay? Now, once you multiply that by 5, 10, okay? And you strategically put it around different areas like AutoZone and things like that, that are completely different from each other, okay? AutoZone, JCPenney, Pizza Hut, and Office Max. Those are completely different businesses. They are completely in every single different industry, right? Think about it. Even you as a person, you're subscribed to a lot of different things. Now in 2022, if you're not in any rewards programs like CVS and Walgreens and things like that, if you're not in those programs, you're not a person, right? You're really not a person. Everyone has those programs. All right, so those different rewards programs will allow you to then have a fresh blank profile because they understand all of your information, and this new information that they didn't have are now in these systems, okay? This new information is now in these systems. Now, what you want to do is, after you do that, okay, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to be into Credit Karma at that time, all right? So then what you will want to do is you will want to do a big application, right? So you've done the small applications, right? Getting your feet wet. Now you want to do a big application. And what this big application will do is it will push all of the information, all of that new fresh data that it has just created, right? It will then push everything into the system once you apply for a car at CarMax, okay? Once you apply for a car at CarMax, after you do all of those steps, then it will push all of your information in the system, and that is how you get a fresh blank profile with not 3 inquiries, not 5 inquiries, right? You don't want all of those inquiries on your profile once you're beginning to establish credit, because that will eventually limit the things that you can do. That will limit your funding. I look at every inquiry as $5,000 to $10,000 that you can acquire. Okay, so the less inquiries you have, the better it is, right? So that CarMax trick is gonna definitely force everything right into the credit bureaus. You have all three bureaus just like that. All right. So, as you guys know, it's also Sunday in which I give a free business consultation or a free personal credit consultation or a free age corp consultation, depending on where you are in my funnel. It is Sunday and I'm giving it away today. And the winner of this week's consultation giveaway is Audible Loco. All right, it's Audible Loco. So congratulations to you, man. Make sure you continue to tap in, continue to like my videos, continue to comment, different things like that. Congratulations. Hit me up, whether if it's on Telegram, you can shoot me with a text, and we can schedule your consultation so we can begin starting your journey. All right, and remember, guys, in order to win the consultation, you must continuously be liking these videos, sharing these videos. Okay, that's the key factor. Sharing these videos, because I can see that. Now, sharing these videos, commenting on these videos, and quite frankly, like letting me know who you are. All right, tap in with me and let me know who you are. I'm coming to you guys multiple times a week. We talk about finances. I'm letting you know who I am. So I want to know who you are. Tell me your goals. Tell me your journey. Tell me what you've been through. Tell me what you're going to do to get to the point where you want to be. All right, it's all work, no play. It's about to be the end of March. Y'all already know what time it is. At the end of the year, I need 5 of y'all to be millionaires. All right, and we're gonna do it all on this channel, and we're gonna come forward all on this channel. I gotta think of something that we can do to where we can actually meet up, and those 5 people, we can actually, create something, build something. I'm gonna be working and thinking about what I can do to have these 5 people, and we can start that mastermind just like that, and just continue to move forward, man. We're gonna use each other, and we're gonna leverage from each other to continuously move forward. All right. Also, the Discord link is in the description. Okay. Also, ways to contact me is also in the description. All right. If you need CPs, you need consultations and things like that, you already know where to find me. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. Let's get it.